The time comes, the mind realizes that real self is beyond the measurement that we have already understood. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside, know your experiences. Bring the hands down. How are you, David and Jerry?
Very good. The meditation, I can only describe it as blissful awareness. And by the end of it, I realized how slow my breath was.
Good. Yeah, that's wonderful. How are you, Jerry?
Sir, I'm good. With the short, quick breath, and then the shantoham, I really was aware of the mind being so focused on that, the rhythm of the breath, and also dropping the shantoham. Like it was totally consumed with that.
Yeah,
So
that's
kind of interesting. But then the rest of it was just kind of easy. That was a lot of, that seemed like a lot of effort, and the rest of it seemed easy. So
yeah, because you succeeded by dropping Shantoham during the quick and gentle breathing, and then the entire process became so smooth, so wonderful. How are you, Stephen and Sam?
I'm good. It was a quiet meditation. I did notice some thoughts popping in and out, but that's all they were. They just popped in and out. I gave it no merit. A good part of the meditation was in a very dark space within my heart. And it was as soon as you hit the first note of the Om Shanti, it was if I began this ascending out of my heart back up to my crown, and just pure brightness, just complete change from dark to light, but very calm and peaceful.
Very calm and peaceful. That's good. That's wonderful. How are you, Sam?
Good. My experience was similar to everyone else's so far, just very quiet, peaceful. And then it did change from a darkness during the Survey Sham to a much brighter brightness towards the end.
That's wonderful. So just to work on this, think of this. Everyone should contemplate on this 4 types of intellect, 4 powers, and ultimately we have a discernment and dispassion. Now, in that state, you are already in the state of meditation. How are you, Vaibhav?
So it was really good, very peaceful. It's like I'm into this space, and I'm realizing if something is coming, not knowing what is that, and I can drop it that because totally into like occupied into that space.
Yeah, wonderful. So don't worry that I don't have a beautiful experiences of colors and the visions and big animals and the plants. No, wait. they are they are the part of the objective reality. We are searching the subjective reality. That needs to be clearly kept in the mind. That is where the faith returns, and faith says, okay, now I understand. How are you, Brandy?
I'm good, thank you. My experience today was interesting. It was I like the word that you used, unusual, because nothing was new in the lessons that you taught, except that I have a different understanding. So it was kind of like just reapplying a lesson that we've had, but with a deeper sense of practice.
Yes.
So it was, it was new, but it wasn't new, and
I could explain in a way that the knowledge and the understanding makes the mind and the intellect clear. And then it is very easy for us to be absorbed into the meditation.
I remembered the story you told during teacher training that about the guy that was learning music lessons, the one who already knew music was charged more because he had to unlearn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To unlearn. Yes, yes. That is what the, yes. If you don't know anything, then okay, you can come down. That is the process of becoming a seeker. Yes, yes, yes. You rightly pointed out. Thank you. How are you, Ashok?
Good, sir. Nice and peace.
Nice and peace. Very good. How are you, Terry? How are you, Samir, in the meantime?
Sir, in the beginning, it was like that everything is moving inside me. All the thoughts, all the imaginations, and everything is going inside me. And after that, after a few moments, it was complete silence. Nothing was there, just your voice, and I was listening to that. That is all.
Very good. So that is another good expression because the mind is moving inside. It is absorbing everything. So that is how many masters have explained these principles. Yes, Terry, no worries. I'm waiting.
Um, I feel like this is not. I don't want to say this because I don't like to say it, but this is true. I feel like something is attacking me, and
Something is attacking
I,
you.
I I think that might be really stupid, but that's what I feel, and it's stopping me from uh, being able to. It's like keeping me. It doesn't want me to succeed.
Yes, and what is that? It is the mind.
Ah.
Nothing else but the mind.
Yeah.
Are there two Terry? One Terry wants to succeed, another Terry does not want to succeed. It is the same mind.
Huh.
I like her objections and questions. So you see, it is the same mind.
Yeah.
When I am the mind, then I'm attached. When I'm attached, I'm in delusion.
Yeah.
When I'm in delusion, it is an imaginary I. That is good. That is all for today. Thank you very much. We'll meet again on.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Namaste,
sir.
everyone.
Namaste.
Thank
Namaste,
you.
everyone.
Namaste.
thank you. Namaste.